tumulong kay Keso. Biro.
Keso. Banana.
Gulong, gulong. Up.
Di ba nakalundo? Kita-kita ko lahat. Mag-UPP mo. Ang linis.
Where, what thing is? Like look, like I saw the entrance. Me too.
Oh, wait lang po.
Bye, next our turn.
Smile. Smile. Pia. Pia.
Okay.
Pia. Pia.
Yeah.
Pia. Pia.
Bye, after Tito Z, our turn.
naman.
Opo, wait natin.
Yes! Okay, Pia, Luna, and me. Let's hold on! Hold on to your... I see a pool. That is a
Yung may mga pine
camping
tree.
friends play.
Naalala mo yan? Yung
Where?
pinagpicture natin nila.
Oh.
There's no pool here. I'm joking. Oh yeah, it's pizza.
Malamig dito, diba?
Oh, maybe they play with that pizza.
Di ba malamig dyan?
Oo, saka mahangin.
Or maybe it's rock. Or maybe
Come on, our turn.
Ah, wait lang kuya, bibigyan
I
natin.
hate it.
Mandar ka na, Dok?
Pia.
Go!
Oo.
Oh no, there's a E.
Sige, ako pababa.
I accidentally see a mouse flying.
Ganda.
Picturean.
Oo.
Horizontal pa yung shot.
Whee! There is still... I'm not holding. Why? How I will fall? At the road. Not Bob. Your head. Bob your head. Bob. This is Bob. Bob your head. But then this is a Bumpy.
Bumpy road, take me home
Bumpy road.
to the
Take me.
place.
Take me
Below, to the below, bring me home.
Ako yung nalawat.
What was
Ninervous lang. Kaya hindi makapagsalita.
Pera.
2 minutes. It's only 2 minutes.
Mas marats to ba yan?
Ruwas is almost there.
Bawal mo na yan, Dok.
Andiyan kasi si Sir ano?
No one's
Ninervous na kayo, right?
Si Sir Christian.
Oh, biscuit. You know I have a tablet like you. This internet. Hi, Tito Teddy Bear. What?
Yan o!
We are here. We're here at the secret camping.
Presto, group pick.
What's in that
Isang hilera. Group pick kayo, mamaya solo yung point.
You know?
Hey, this is not the campway. We're still not here.
It's here. Lawak nga.
Are we here?
Tara. ka, bili. Picture.
Bababae mo? Bababae mo?
Ay, grabe yan. Hinarang ha. May hinarang. Aray ko. Ano doon? Lipat tayo? Hakap na uli. Oh. Uncle Mike na to. Puro ahon yun eh.
Kasi dito doon medyo hindi mainit.
We are going to
Nalaman natin.
die. What? I say this.
Mainit din doon kasi nasa taas din yun.
When we don't
Na-develop talaga siya eh, no?
get what? You'll die when you do not sleep, you know? That's not true. It is true. You'll die when you don't sleep, guys.
Wala, ba't kasi di kayo nag-sleep?
You need to sleep
Bakit ka
every
sad?
day.
We'll go to heaven, but no.
I call this the heaven mountain. Yeah. Why we are alive?
Viewers tuna. Ay,
Di ba ang susopas? Mainit eh. Oo.
Yeah? Ate isa.
Hey Luna.
Are you going to Marikina River?
Hala.
He's going to Marikina River.
Ano daw gagawa nyo? Picnic? O, picnic daw. Ano, JD, sali ka dun. Picnic daw, picnic. Aray ko. Buwan na kayo. Picnic daw kayo, picnic. Say cheese! queso. Biro. Cheese. Say bye-bye. Uy!
Then spread it with a fork or spoon.
More? More, okay na.
More. You need to spread the whole thing. Then add mozzarella cheese.
Get some cheese.
And this one you can use to spread.
Ay, bakit? O, lagyan mo na rin yung iba. Yeah.
Biro, pizza.
This one is for pineapple.
I have Moroccan pizza.
Ito.
Let's put some mushroom.
Ay, madami din ang hamon.
Baka tumapon eh. Sakto.
Sarap.
Too much for me, one for Luna, and too much for Kuya Diro, and nothing for Pia.
Spread mo, boy.
Natin for Pia. Cheese,
Nothing.
cheese pizza lang kasi si
Pineapple.
Gawa, may water dyan.
Can you give me egg?
Padigit.
Matigit na nga.
Why is that kind of pizza?
Ano? Meron ka bang blocks ng ano?
Ginawang ano yun eh. Demolition job.
Ano? Ano ko? Ano pa yung kakainin namin yan?
My daddy loves
Wait, we're baking pizza. Wait.
Hindi pa luto yung ham sa cheese. Uy! Hi, bird! Where's the bird? Uy! Where's the bird? Find the bird! Find the bird! Huh? Ah, no more birds. Says? Oh no! The baby is shy? Why? Why is the baby shy? Stand up. Where? Here? Oh no, the baby is shy. bumili. Pansit Canton.
Ate, bigay ni Pia sa'yo.
Awa. Kayo magbubuo ha. Hindi si papa mo ha.
Papahelp pa kay Lola dito.
Oh.
Mas marunong si Lola ng Lego.
Si papa mo.
Hindi siya marunong ng Lego.
Hindi ka para marunong eh.
Si Lola Jojo lang
Yan na ba yun, Dad? Yan na ba yun?
Ang pambansang.
Pansit Canton.
Matitikman ko na rin sa wakas.
Favorite yan, favorite. Master niya na yan. Kahit walang apoy, naluluto yan.
Talaga ba?
Oo.
Ay, walang apoy.
Ay, Pia.
Para isang lalagyanan na lang.
Record ako ng patulak. Oh, watch out nyo yung ano, baka may dahilan.
How's it go wet?
Moist.
Huh?
Moist. Oh no. Ay, Pia windmill oh. Ayun ang windmill. Ayun ang yung color white. May trash ko yun. that?
Kape? Kape kayo?
Guys, look here, look at queso! Banana!
Ay, yung radyo. Sundan nyo lang yung truck dito sa kanan. Sayad yung gulong ko sa likod. Sige, doon. Pwede na, doon. Pwede na. Ay, wait mo ako. Bibidyoan pala kita. Wait lang. For low, for low.
For low.
Tapos kung kaya 1 or 2, doon yan, wag na kayo mag-drive. Okay, next na, next. Sundan nyo na si Isa, sundan nyo na.
Distansya lang ako sa likod ni Christian.
Masaya to pag umuulan, no? Taas! Sige, sunod na kay Sir Christian, sunod na. Bilis naman ni Q.
Kaya mapil mo yung Jimmy.
Dapat dito ka sa sa kaliwa Q. Abante na ba si Eloy? Go Bert.
Sabi pa lang ako
Ano? Maahon, maahon. Okay, ikaw na kay Dudes. Eh. Ang grabe si Kuya Dudes, oh. Pag umuulan yan, tingnan mo. Sa'yo. Dapat kinuha mo sa mahirap. Oo, dapat nung ka sa kabila. You know?
Yan yung masarap oh. Yan. Yan. Sarap. Bato na yan.
Tatagilid yan eh. Wala, basic. Inantok. Eh. Eh.
Ako kayo ng video, galing ako sa baba ng bundok.
Ah.
Kaya gawa ganun.
Okay. Donut. Kaya Rhino Edition.
Literal na Rhino Edition.
Gulong. Up. So, kalit na.
Pwede natin yung kay, kay Dirty.
Go back na kayo doon.
I'm not thankful for a day.
Magpo-4 low lang ako ha, medyo drop, medyo
Look,
malalim.
here's a weird thing. This is a
Dahan-dahan lang pababa, dahan-dahan.
Mag-hill ascent.
Oh.
Pwede rin hill ascend. Ay, hill descent. Sorry. Hill descent kayo, hill descent. Para may pang-alalay sa
I wish to eat Safia o Gala. I wish I eat a fish. I wish to talk to other ladies. I wish
4 low ha, 4 low dito sa may pababa. Alalay lang.
alive fish. I wish to eat boring days.
Sila dyan.
May kalsada eh.
What you to say, eh?
May kalsada dito eh, nadurog lang. Doon, kaliwa tayo na, kaliwa. Gilid muna tayo, antayin natin sila.
Oh, look at this one.
Ay, tuhay.
Ah, tuhay na tuhay.
I love horses.
Hindi naman madumi. Hindi maputik. Konti lang.
Wala na eh.
Hindi madumi oh.
Madumi ba?
Wala, walang putik. Yun oh.
Yeah! Ipon! Tulay!
Doon na. Ito pa oh.
Wala rin sa putik.
Tumagos. No? Nagwiwigil ako pag 60. Gano'n. Ha? 50? Potek eh.
Uy, si Gubas!
Si Gubat!
Tatay ko!
Tatay mo, nawala.